Hi guys, David, August University here, and today I'm just watching the charts. I'm actually taking some interest in, the hype of AMC and GME, obviously. Noticed on the opening, during the opening bell there, pre-market, they've been spiking downward heavily, so a huge sell-off. If you take a look here, went all the way down from $13 all the way down to about $6. So this is a huge opportunity to have some, buy the low and then have some diamond hands and rise back up to the top. There's still a lot of hype in the news and the Reddit, etc. So this is a huge opportunity. I missed out on GME. It actually had a low today of all the way down to $80, and now we're at 137. So I missed that opportunity. I'm not sure if you guys took advantage of that opportunity. Now, I've also been taking a look at Tesla, right? Taking a look at Tesla here, and obviously I'm in crypto, so Ethereum. So a lot going on right now, but I'm right now mostly looking at the GME hype and AMC. So if you guys didn't already notice, I'm using this algorithm here, and it's called Lux Algo. So it gives you pretty accurate data, okay? So it gives you pretty accurate data when it comes to buy and sell signals. So it gives you it tells you when the momentum is kind of moving upward or downward, and when you should get in and out. Now you don't have to listen to a T, but use it as a nice guideline here to kind of take advantage of the trading. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's some huge opportunities there when it was at $11.51, right? And then it told you to get out or take profit here if you wanted to at $16. So that's a significant gain there. Same thing here. This is a little bit of a smaller gain, depending on how many minutes you're viewing it at. If you go longer, depending on your settings, you can see it kind of change up a little bit for the way things look. So I personally like the 15-minute at the highest, and then I break it down from there. Okay. So as you can see on the dip, there's a heavy buy signal that is going to move upwards. And this is a software called TradingView. I'm not sure if the recording's looking a little slow right now. I'm trying some new software, but so far I like this. And yeah, there's a lot of momentum here, and it's all about not being too emotional. I find, I missed out on the XRP hype a little bit. I was in the XRP and I was literally staring at it. I was literally staring at it when it was 75 cents, and I didn't sell. And typically I use the software, I follow the guidelines, and I make the sale, right? I take my profits. But me being emotional and all the hype of XRP going to be purchased at 8:30 Eastern time, I was a little bit of a fool to listen to that and be emotional about it. But I didn't take my profits like I normally would. So that led me to, not, instead of making $1,000 win, I didn't. So that's a lesson for me. I'm over it. At the same time, you got to look at the fundamentals and take action, okay? So I do really like the software, because if I actually listened, I'll show you guys what I mean on the XRP there, okay? If I would have listened to the software the other day, okay? If I would have listened to the software the other day, it was such a significant dip that I got to zoom in here. There you go. So if I listened to my software when it told me to sell and take profit here, I would have been safe. I would have made my $1,000 profit quickly, efficiently, and easily, right? But I didn't. So that's my mistake. I should have paid attention to the software, listened, and I didn't. So that being said, you know, if you guys want to utilize the software like this, you need to kind of investigate further. It's called Lux Algo Premium Software, and you can adjust all the settings here as well, which Lux Algo will show you what settings you should, depending on what type of trader you are. So I have it on super high sensitivity because I usually look at the 5-minute to 1-minute charts, right? But if you want it to be less sensitive, you can increase this number. You know, I might actually adjust this to 15 or something like that right now. Okay. And it's gonna kind of track better for the longer term charts, right? But yeah, I should have sold there. It is what it is. Let's move on. Let's go back to AMC here. A lot of action. Like I said, I'm using this new software here, so bear with me if the chart's a little slower than usual. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the Lux Algo software. Wow. So it looks like there's some downward pressure there on AMC right now. We're actually going to go to the 5-minute. Yeah. So this is Lux Algo, and you get a desktop software, you get a mobile app software as well, and it's really integrated into TradingView. So you're going to use TradingView, which I love. It's a lot faster than this. I'm just trying this new software. I think it's because I'm recording in 4K. That's why it's doing that. But Lux Algo takes all the emotions and noisiness out of your charts and your trading, right? You just kind of follow the guidelines and follow the rules, and utilize these signals to help you trade better. Okay. It's version 3, so they've been working on the software for a long time, and it's really customized to you. So if you take a solid few days to adjust the settings the way that you want it to, based on their training, you can have a few solid sales and already pay off the software, which I like. It does come with a Discord channel with buy and sell signals, recommendations, pro traders in there as well. So you're getting all this here, real-time alerts, easy setup, 24-hour support, lifetime updates. You can cancel anytime. Trusted by over 10,000 plus traders. Okay. Right. So if you guys get it, what I want you guys to encourage you guys to do is, if you're gonna take trading seriously, I made the mistake of just getting the quarterly plan, but if you add up the numbers here, $67.99 a month to try it, that's great. But if you're gonna take it serious anyway, I really do recommend, if you can afford it, the yearly plan, because you're getting a way better value. You're getting basically almost half price off. You save about 40% off. Then if you stack the discount code that I supply you with, you're gonna get an additional 20% off of the $489. So that's my recommendation if you're really taking serious the lifestyle of trading, whether crypto, forex, stocks. I trade Tesla a lot. But yeah, it's a huge opportunity with the 20% off sale on top of the already savings if you do quarterly or yearly. Now, if you just want to try it, gonna get in $67.99 a month, still a good value. One day of trading can depending on your funding, but one day of trading can make or break the software price. So you can, if you have a good solid day of trading, you can pay off your quarterly plan or even yearly plan. I've had $1,000 day trading Tesla before. So really, having these fundamentals and having these tools it's a game changer. It's like having your book in front of you and you'll be able to write down the answers. It's kind of like it's almost like cheating, right? But you still got to be smart, and you still got to use your own knowledge to trade and not be dumb. but it does definitely help with the trade signals, okay? And it works with every one of these stocks or cryptos. So I track Ethereum regularly, Tesla, and more so some of these hype stocks right now. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick, kind of a demo on Lux Algo today. AMC, do you guys think it's going to go upward or is it going to go back downward? Is the question, right? I didn't see a sell signal yet. So I think that it's going to go kind of midway, maybe up to 10 or 11 again after it goes downward a little bit, but who really knows? But definitely when you run the software, make sure you listen. And if you see a huge signal to sell or buy, then make sure you pay attention and don't get emotional about it, and then take your profits as well. All right. So this is David Wynn, August University. Just wanted to break down Lux Algo a little bit for you guys, and I will be doing more videos like this in the near future regarding settings, regarding what's inside what they offer you for setup, etc. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $100 in crypto of your choice, okay? As long as I get access to it, which I have a lot of access to crypto, all right? This is David Wynn, August University. See you in the next video.